There's something truly satisfying about creating your own home decor pieces, especially when they're both functional and stylish. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make roller shades using Blackout fabric, a simple and affordable DIY project that gives you privacy, blocks sunlight, and adds a clean, modern touch to your windows. Whether you're looking to upgrade your bedroom for better sleep, keep your living room cool, or just enjoy a neat and minimal look, this project is perfect for you. Making roller shades at home not only saves money, but also allows you to customize them exactly how you like, from fabric color to size, and even the way they roll. So grab your supplies, clear your workspace, and let's begin this creative and budget-friendly project together. Step 1. Measure your windows accurately. The key to making professional-looking roller shades starts with accurate measurements. Use your measuring tape to measure the width and height of your window frame. Decide whether you want the shade to fit inside the frame or hang slightly outside it. For an inside mount, subtract a little from your measurements to ensure the shade fits perfectly without getting stuck. For an outside mount, add a few extra inches on each side to block more light and give your window a finished, full look. Write down your measurements carefully so you can cut the fabric precisely later. Step 2. Cut your Blackout fabric. Once you have your measurements, lay out the Blackout fabric on a flat, clean surface. Use your straight edge to draw cutting lines and then cut the fabric neatly with sharp scissors. Make sure the edges are even, as uneven sides can make rolling difficult later. If your fabric tends to fray, you can lightly hem the edges or use a fabric sealant to prevent unraveling. Precision at this step is key. A clean cut will give your finished shade that professional, store-bought appearance. Step 3. Prepare the roller tube. Next, you'll prepare the roller tube. If you're reusing an old roller shade, remove the old fabric carefully by unrolling it completely. Clean the tube and check that the mechanism is still working smoothly. If you're using a new roller shade kit, measure and cut the tube to fit your window width if needed. Make sure the tube has a smooth, even surface because any bumps or rough spots can make the fabric roll unevenly. Step 4. Attach the fabric to the roller. Now it's time to attach your Blackout fabric to the roller. Lay the fabric flat with the back side facing up. Apply a thin, even line of strong adhesive or double-sided tape along one edge of the roller tube. Carefully place the top edge of the fabric onto the adhesive, pressing gently to ensure it sticks firmly. Roll the shade up and down a few times to make sure it moves smoothly. The alignment should be straight. If the fabric starts rolling unevenly, unroll and adjust before the glue fully sets. This small step will make a big difference in how your finished shade looks and functions. Step 5. Finish the bottom edge. To keep the fabric hanging neatly, you'll need to finish the bottom edge. You can create a small pocket by folding the edge over and sewing or gluing it in place. Slide in a small dowel rod or metal bar. This adds weight, so the shade hangs straight and rolls evenly. If you want a more decorative finish, you can use trim, ribbon, or even a contrasting border for a designer touch. Just make sure whatever you add doesn't make the fabric too heavy for the roller mechanism. Step 6. Install the roller shade. Once your shade is ready, it's time to install it. Follow the instructions in your roller shade kit or reuse the old mounting brackets. If you're mounting inside the window frame, make sure the brackets are level and aligned perfectly. For outside mounting, measure equal distances on both sides so the shade looks centered. Gently clip the roller tube into the brackets and test it by pulling the shade up and down. It should move smoothly and stay in place when pulled. If it doesn't, check the tension spring in the roller. You may need to adjust it slightly. Step 7. Add finishing touches. This is where you can add a bit of creativity. You might choose to paint the roller tube or brackets to match your wall or window trim. Adding small decorative pulls or tassels can also give your roller shade a polished, custom look. If your room style is minimalist, keep it simple with clean lines and neutral tones. For a more playful vibe, use patterned blackout fabric or add a decorative border. Small details like these make your handmade roller shades look designer-made and unique to your home. Maintenance and cleaning tips. Blackout roller shades are easy to maintain, which makes them a great choice for busy households. To keep them clean, regularly dust them with a soft cloth or vacuum them using a brush attachment. For deeper cleaning, gently wipe the surface with a damp cloth and mild soap. Avoid using harsh chemicals or soaking the fabric, as that can damage the blackout coating. With proper care, your DIY roller shades can last for years, staying beautiful and functional without fading or tearing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design ideas and 2026 decor trends.